Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Every Wednesday morning I teach two groups of Ukrainian teachers of English, and one of the most common topics of conversation is where different people are living at the moment, when they left where they were before, why they left and what it's like back there at the moment. Often people are wondering whether or not to return back home, how safe things are, what's going on in neighbouring areas. And yesterday, one of my students was commenting on how remarkable it was that so many people stay, stubbornly refusing to move, in areas that are being subjected to relentless Russian shelling. Even in Bakhmut, which is on the front line of the war up in northeastern Ukraine, people are still living there, amazingly, despite the fact that Russia has been pounding the hell out of the city all year. If you've seen any aerial shots of Bakhmut, you'll know that basically the whole city has been razed to the ground. If a town or a city or a building is razed to the ground, it's completely destroyed. It's reduced to ground level. Obviously, this can be by shelling, by bombing. It can also be by fire. So you sometimes hear news stories about wildfires, increasingly common as the climate emergency becomes ever more apparent. Wildfires will sweep through towns, razing several buildings to the ground. It's also sometimes used to talk about developers. So developers might raze old buildings to the ground before erecting usually quite ugly luxury apartments that they then sell for obscene amounts of money. And maybe local councils also raze old town halls or crumbling old tower blocks to the ground in order to start afresh and build something new. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Share it on social media if you feel like it. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use razed to the ground.